E don red o my people, no be small thing o. Dey say that Ethiopians now wey be say if you wan fly pass their place, e say if you see wetin dem dey do in Nigeria people wey dey pass that place, my people, this one sef I come dey ask, we no be Africa again? Abi Ethiopia dem no be part of Africa? No be small thing as one man don go for Ethiopia embassy wey dey for Abuja go protest, one man protest. E come ask dem make dem give am im money o wey dem don collect years ago. The man don dey cry since that time till now, and e still talk say our people wey dey inside their cell for inside their different prison imeni. E say that the Nigerians dey kpai everyday for inside Ethiopia for no reason. No be say those people dey go Ethiopia or go live, na people wey dey under transit wey dey pass dey go their home country. Na so dem go carry dem comot for airport go put dem for prison or put dem for inside their secret cells wey dey get for inside that place. My people, no be small thing o. I'm gonna go find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. My wonderful people, as we dey talk right now, they say one man don carry him two leg, carry him car, carry him banner, waka go inside the Ethiopia embassy wey dey for Abuja, go there go put him flag, sit down. They protest for inside the front. They request for him money wey they don carry and go one corner for inside the Alisha Baba for inside Ethiopia, go Colombia one corner, collect every wey him get because say him be Nigeria. I no know wetin Nigeria do to other Africa, so the way they take dey look us, e get as e be. But however, this man is from eastern part of Nigeria. Now be say this man is a poor Biafra. So if you are a Biafra, Nigeria government no dey too put mouth. If you get issue for outside, ask everybody. There's some issues wey dey outside now wey be say the government no wan put mouth put because no be their own people. But however, this thing dey happen to this man. He don go to different government, different office, different embassy. See yet Nigeria government no do anything because of this. Now the man don use him two leg waka come this embassy come dey protest. Watch this video that I'm going to show you right now, and we will come back and talk more in this video.
Dubai with Ethiopian Airline, going to Abuja, coming to Abuja, and that was 2022 November, 6th November 2022. Okay. And when I get to Addis Ababa, my flight is supposed to continue the next morning to Abuja, and the airline staff, they forced me not to stay inside the airport and take us out of. There are so many other passengers, different destinations, and took us to the hotel without immigration, without custom. And in the morning when I coming out, they collected my money, $80,000. Give me 10,000, collect 70. I should go. I refuse. At the end, they insist that they're not going to give me the money. Then I refuse to go. So after all the arguments, they now take me to their senior officer. I told them the whole thing. They say, yeah, it's a mistake from the airline that they did not give me a form of declaration, that they didn't pass me through there. That can happen. They should release the money. They release the money. I want to go. They start speaking their language. After speaking their language, they collected the money back and give me 10. I said I should go. I said no. If you really want to take this money, let's do proper documentation about this money. So we went and do the proper documentation. After doing the proper documentation, to know the office that collected the money and get a receipt of the money. So they get angry, they seize the money and take me to police station. After taking me to police station, I make a statement. After then, they accusing me of collecting money from Addis Ababa, smuggling to Nigeria. I said that was my destination. I was coming from Dubai, not from Addis Ababa. So they said they have to approve, they confirm from the airline. It took them 21 days to go to the airline. Why the police station in question is inside the airport and the airline is staying inside the airport. So they refused to go and meet the airline. And after 21 days, the airline went and come back with the forged documents that they give me a form of declaration. Then I said that I don't have such amount. So I told them that it's a forged document because they went and bring a registered note where our ticket wrote to confirm for getting the hotel. They make copy and paste like as if they're giving us form of decoration. So I tell the police they should bring this to court. So when they close the case, they bring it to prosecutor on 38 days of staying there. So when they wait to the court decide that this is a forged document and they withdraw the case, ask them to return my money. Since then, I've not received my money. I've been going up and down. I've registered the case in Nigerian Embassy, Ethiopia Embassy, Nigerian Foreign Affairs, Ethiopia Foreign Affairs. Last year, they called me to collect my account, that they will return my money. Since July, 14th of July, I have not received the money. This case is being in the Foreign Affairs. This case also being in the Aviation Minister. This case also in Minister of Justice. This case have been also anchored in Berekete family 4 times. You can go there and search and see 40 days agony in Ethiopia. You will hear the whole details because I'm making it short. So right now, I came to the embassy to do the second protest here. I've done 10 protests in the Ethiopian airline. I'm in the Ethiopian embassy now doing the protest to get my money. Since the government doesn't want to do anything about that, I'm going to fight for my money and for my rights. That's why I'm here.
Okay, thank you very much. It's quite a pity. And you have just said that you have reported to some of the government agencies and nothing is coming out of it.
Yes, sir.
I want to use this medium to call upon the Nigerians, the government officials, those concerned, to look into this case and make sure that justice is brought to
and there are 250 Nigerians
him.
have the similar case in Ethiopia. They should also review their matter, sir.
Because I know that if you are an American people will come and fight for you. Even if it's the Ethiopian that have this predicament, the Ethiopian government will come and fight for him.
Yes, sir.
So we call upon Nigerian government, please come and look into this case and ensure that justice is brought to him. What's your name again?
My name is Francis Chukwumauzo.
Francis Chukwumauzo, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I will send this video to all the groups.
Send the tag. If you see this video, tag it. I'm live in Ethiopia Embassy in Abuja. So you can channel television, BBC, Africa.
Once again, you say you're from Anambra State?
I'm from Anambra State, Okuzu.
Okay, Okuzu. And maybe we should talk to the governor through your local government. I know that your local government chairman is from Okuzu too. Yes. I think your local government chairman is from Okuzu too. We will send this video to him to enable him send to the governor of Anambra State. Perhaps we will talk to the presidency to see how your problem will be solved.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, and I know that justice will come to you in Jesus' name.
Thank you, sir.
I still remain as your mother. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video and hear wetin this our brother talk, actually this thing happen years ago, but this our brother still dey waka put for inside this thing. Make they give am money. This money now they do business and is not coming to their country, is passing. Why they go come out for inside airport carry am? They no even do our yes, you hear wetin talk for this video. They no even do am the way they supposed to do am. At least through immigration. Okay, mona stay here. When your flight come, go come on a caller side. Don't call and beat them. Go and call and go collect this money. And this thing happen, and it still they happen to today. Last year, shebi you see some pictures of people wey come outside, come give secret, say see wetin dey go on for inside the Ethiopia prison, and says where they pack Nigerians, they buy people for inside that place. People wey no do anything, people wey dey on transit because they wan collect money from them because they be Nigerians, and this thing dey happen. Our government never come outside, come dey condemn these things wey dey happen, or our embassies go come outside come say this thing we wanna do to our people e no good. But however, this our brother don still bring am come up again, say they must give am money. So share this video so that other government officials go see am, whether they go get justice for this our brother. Share this video and make sure so that this video go viral. Very, very important. And we will see you for the next update as they hold. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow our Facebook page and follow us on TikTok as well. If you're on TikTok, click that place you see Instagram, you will see our YouTube under, and also subscribe to our YouTube from there. Thank you so much for watching, and leave your own opinion for inside comment section. If you don't pass through this thing through Ethiopia before, do not forget to come up to tell us. We want to know what is going on.